Hi guys, this is Sylvia Busy Art. This is the creation for today, and it's like a little mobile phone. And then we've got the speech bubble. This is who's speaking, Almighty God. And your speech bubble, it says, "Is that you, my child?" And this is how we make it. So yeah, I've coloured all this in and folded it in half. And again to make it foldable, and then folded down this dotted line, so fold it a little bit and a little bit and then bring it together and fold down there, and then fold it there, and now I've cut out this hard line here, cut down there, and then I fold over this piece like that to make it like a little birdie beak. Let's hold that up. Yeah, little birdie beak. Like that. I suppose it would be easier for you to do it. No, like, how do I do it? Oh, like that. Ah, that's it. And then fold it down on the other side. Okay. So you've got the little birdie beak, and then I've put some double-sided sticky tape here. And cut out the speech bubble. Sit that down there. And then get it comfortable. And then, ta-da! There's your mobile phone. I'm sure you've had fun making that, and God bless, and see you next time.